All right, welcome everybody. We're here to take a quick look at how to sign up for and attend a virtual class at Sharing Yoga. So you want to go to sharingyoga.com, and right over here where it says virtual class schedule, you want to click on virtual class schedule. This will bring you to the virtual class schedule. Classes below are virtual classes streamed live using Zoom. And an important note here, after you sign up for a class, you need to check your junk and spam folder in your email right away. You're going to look for an email from Schedule Bliss. That email is not going to be from David@sharingyoga.com, and it's not going to be from anybody else. It's going to be from, or Lori@sharingyoga.com. It's going to be from Schedule Bliss. That's the software that we use on the website here. So let's say I want to sign up for a class. I want to sign up for Wendy's Abs and Core class on Thursday, April 9th at 4 p.m. I go over here, I click the green sign up button. So it's pretty easy so far. Now when you get here, there's going to be a login screen. So you're probably wondering what your login credentials are here. So if you don't know your login credentials, I want you to stop right here and call me, David, at 603-630-5576, and I will tell you what your login credentials are, or I will set some login credentials up for you, whatever you prefer. But don't waste your time here typing in different emails and passwords, because you won't get anywhere if you don't know it. So if you do know it, then you can type in your credentials here. And I just logged in, trying to sign up for Wendy's class, and then you'll be led to this website here. Once you have the correct email and password information, you'll be led to this website right here. And it says right here, I'm signing up for Virtual Abs and Core Thursday, April 9th at 4 p.m. with Wendy F. Okay? And I'm going to use my existing pass. So if you have a valid membership that's up to date, if you have a class passes that you haven't used or some drop-ins, they're going to appear right here in this area. If you don't, you're going to need to go down here to this area and maybe purchase one. But I'm going to do it with I have a drop-in. I have a couple drop-ins here, so I'm going to sign up with my existing pass. And right there, it's as simple as that. Confirmation, thank you, your reservation was successful. Now, here's the really, 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 really important part. As soon as you do this, you want to close out of here, and then you want to go to your email, okay? And then it's not going to be in your inbox probably. It's probably going to be in your junk mail or your spam mail or someplace like that. And you're going to find right there, there it is. It's in my spam folder. It just came in. It's from Schedule Bliss. It's not from me. It's not from Sharing Yoga. And it says online reservation. And when I click on that online reservation, I'm going to look right here. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to report that it's not spam, right? Click on that. And it says, here's the URL for the class. So all that gibberish right there, you're going to need to click on that at 10 minutes of 4 on Thursday in order to attend Wendy's class. So I can't stress how important this is. If you don't save this email, if you don't find this email, there's not going to be any way for you to attend the class. All right? So there's my reservation. I'm going to save this email. I maybe even will, right up here, if you have Gmail, you can star it. You can put a yellow star on it, or you can put a green check mark on it, or whatever you want, and that'll save it. And then when you're ready to attend class on Thursday at around 4 o'clock, you just come back to this email. You click on here. And this will allow you to come into the class. So it's that simple. If you have any questions, again, David@sharingyoga.com, or you can call me at 603-630-5576. Thanks.